Folks, welcome to Kev's Shed again. This time I've got a special guest, Sarah Barrett, and she's come to me with a little project that she wants to do for her house, and we're going to make it out of plywood. Basically it's just a C-shaped table that will go over her couch. We're going to cut these C-sections out of plywood, and then we're just going to glue them all together this way, and then we're just going to plane them, and that'll be the table. So, Sarah, what's the idea behind this table?
This table is just a little coffee table that I can tuck out of the way on the side of my couch, so it's going to slide in around it. So yeah, we're just going to customise.
Okay, and is this your idea or have you seen it somewhere else?
I've seen it a little bit elsewhere, but just getting that customised size to fit my couch. And,
okay.
I haven't seen this style of
Using plywood?
No, not
I like
not
using
this
plywood all the time. Christine, my wife, hates it because I do it all the time. But it's so strong because the joins are always, I mean, the grain goes in every direction here or crossed over, and so it's very, very strong, so you can put a lot of weight on it. So it'll be a good, strong little table.
Excellent.
Have you done anything like this before?
Never.
Never done any woodwork at all?
Not really, no.
Okay, so this is your first big project.
Yeah, first big
Excellent.
project. Yeah.
All right, let's see how it goes.
So far, so good.
Excellent, thank you. Okay, so we've cut all of the pieces. Sarah's been doing a lot of band sawing. We don't have to be very accurate, right? And what we're going to do now is we're going to lay these pieces. So you see we've got a long and a short. We just line them up like that, and then we'll have the one join here, and then these ones will have the other join here, like so. And then the long one here, and the short one there. So we're going to build them up sideways, putting the glue on them, and we're going to get the nail gun, we're going to go bang, 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 and nail them together. And that way we can put the whole thing together without any clamps, and then we sand it, and that'll be finished. I might just put a little bit here as well. Okay, so we've clamped it up. The last piece we clamped on because we don't want the nails to show. So that's all clamped on and it's all ready to go. So one of the problems with some plywood is you get voids, like so. And a simple trick for doing the voids, just show them, Sarah. Put a little bit of glue in, rub it in, like that. And then you just get some sawdust and you rub that in, and the void will disappear, like so. So let's do that crack.